Over the past year, I've gotten into this weird thing where I just have like 2 scent makeup bags with like a ton of random stuff in them. So I feel like a streamline to like make like a 2 becomes 1. I don't even know what's in here. Oh yeah, look, like literally everything. It's about to get worse.
I'm getting so much anxiety right now. Okay.
You would think I'm a makeup artist.
Yeah, I'm really impressed.
I'm not. This is like embarrassing.
I like this because you could actually use this on the cheeks and lips, like you said, if you need to kind of
amp it up.
Or if you want more like a rosy flush cheek or like tint it with the lips.
I don't think I'm a lipstick person. I like maybe a good stain.
I'm actually a big fan of lip liner. If you like more of a stain look and without it looking so lipsticky, this is great to kind of cover the entire lip. And it looks a little bit more lived in than like you just applied red lipstick. Just like a little bit of Vaseline to give it a little slip. Yeah. And I feel like if you went over it, it gives you kind of like that tint you're talking about.
Okay, I actually do really love that because you put it on your eyelids. So that'll be like, oh, if it's night, I'll put that on.
And it's nice too because if you needed like an interchangeable shadow too, you could use the highlighter with it to kind of give it more depth.
More.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I like that. Yeah, it's basically you have...
I have the same product in 5 forms.
It's like slightly different tones, but I really feel like you could replace this with this.
Okay.
In its place.
See ya. This is called natural... No, it's a shadow magnet. So when I was like, I'm going to wear eyeshadow and then I'm going to put this on first and put on that, but like...
No, if you're traveling, you could use the concealer or the foundation.
Okay, by shadow magnet.
I really love these kind of pens too because you could like press them in your waterline so it looks like you have no eyeliner
I know,
on.
I do like doing that. How do you do it?
So I'll show you because it's actually, this one's perfect because it's long like this, so it's basically designed to like stamp in instead of using like this. So it looks like it just opens your... But I think the trick is always keeping this point like being parallel to your eye instead of at a point. But yeah, I mean, you know what's actually really nice too is if you get like a cream bronzer, like Chanel makes an awesome one, like the Universal.
Can we talk about cream bronzer?
Yeah. I love it though because it looks more natural than like literally placing a powdery bronzer on the face. I actually love to use my fingers for just applying concealer on yourself, like for under eyes especially.
I was doing it opposite, okay.
I mean, of course, like a brush is great, but I feel like it just really warms up the product.
Perfect.
And less things
see ya.
You need.
Okay, let's see now. Maybe I could fit everything into one.
And then this will probably fit 2, right?
2 became 1.
Yes.
Ta-da! High five.
High five.
Thanks.
Of course.